In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update an app in the Microsoft Store. Keeping your apps up to date helps with performance, security, and new features, and the Microsoft Store makes this process simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through each step and share a few tips along the way so you can update what you need with confidence. First, launch the Microsoft Store. You can open it from the Start menu by searching for Microsoft Store, or click its icon if it's pinned to your taskbar. Give it a moment to load fully before moving on. If you're prompted to sign in, just make sure you're using the same Microsoft account you use for your apps so the store can see everything you've installed. On Windows 11, click on Downloads. You'll find this in the store's left-hand navigation. This area is your hub for updates and activity. It shows recent downloads, any apps that are currently updating, and anything that might be queued. If your list looks empty, that's not a problem. It just means nothing is actively downloading yet. Next, click Check for Updates. The store will scan all your installed apps and tools to see whether newer versions are available. This scan may take a few seconds. When it completes, any apps that need attention will appear with an update status. You might see pending, downloading, or installing, along with progress bars. If the Microsoft Store itself needs an update, let it finish. That can help other updates run more smoothly. A stable internet connection will make this step faster, so if things seem slow, give it a little time to catch up. If you only want to update one specific app, click the Update button next to that individual app. This is especially helpful if you're managing limited bandwidth, you're on a metered connection, or you just want to test a new version of a particular tool before updating the rest. You'll see the progress for that single app right there in the list, and you can continue using your device while it finishes. If the update pauses, just wait a moment. Most of the time, it will resume automatically. Once it says completed, you're all set, and many apps will launch with the latest features the next time you open them. That's the entire process. Open the Microsoft Store, head to Downloads, check for updates, and when needed, update an individual app. Make a habit of visiting this page periodically, and your apps will stay current with minimal effort.